Hi, Jane. Matt Mariglia here. Just wanted to show you what I did with your athletics page. I thought it'd be a video that you could watch and then see later, so you can see what it is that I did. I logged into ScheduleStar. That's what you're seeing on your screen in front of you. And I looked through a button over here called Utilities, and the magic words I should say, is iCal Setup. So I clicked on iCal Setup, and it asked me to log in again. And these directions were right on the site, by the way. And I think this is going to save you a ton of time. And this is what Dr. Croft wants on the new page. So this allows me to set up a iCalendar subscription, which I can use in my Google Calendar, and that'll allow me to display it. So I did 2 of these, and I'll show you what I did. I created one called StarPoint Athletics. And then I left all these the same. The only thing I changed was these are all the games, all the sports, all the levels. Didn't want to make separate calendars. You could if you wanted to make separate calendars for these. It's really up to you, and put them in your Google Calendar. 3 months ahead, I can make that longer or shorter. I think I left it as 3 months ahead. I might have put 6 months. I'm not sure. And I think I went like 3 months in the past. So we'll be able to fix those if we don't like the way they look. I hit save, and it gave me this link. This is the key link to this iCal. I copied that. I went into my calendar down here to other calendars, okay? And I hit the little drop-down menu here and hit Browse Interesting Calendars. Ooh, sorry, I didn't do that. I hit Add by URL, sorry. And then I pasted that iCal right in there, okay? So that whole long thing I put in there. I hit Add Calendar, and it added it. And you'll see it'll pop them all in there really quick. Okay, they're all blue. All right, so that's how I did it. Now I'm going to hide this one because I already did it twice, and they're down here. I have 2 StarPoint Athletics ones. So when I click on these, you can see they pop them in, and I click on this one, pops them in twice. I'll show you why I did 2. I went into calendar settings, and then there was this little customize the color, the option, so I could see what it looked like on the calendar. And again, this is just one that I kind of messed with. I can do the agenda, which gives me a list. I can decide how I want it to look. I can look like the week. I can decide how I want it to look, and then I can take this part right here, and this is the fancy-dancy technical part, and I embedded it into the calendar page on the StarPoint website. So I have a embed code here, and I took that, and I put it over here. I know it's pretty involved, but I have it set up for you, so you really don't have to do it. If you look at the page, you can see the 2 calendars that I had. I have one as a daily sports events, which is what people will see. I have the sports events calendar. I might change that to monthly sports events calendar because it is monthly. And then the other thing I did was I made a page for all 3 teams, for all 3, I guess you could say, sports seasons. And you can actually go into this if you'd like. It's under Schedules by Team. And you're able to go into this if you want and link each of these to that PDF that you get at the beginning of the school year or beginning of the season. I did put a little note up there that said, click on a link to access the schedules for these teams. Please check the athletic calendars for changes as these might be incorrect. So that's something that I did as well. I'm going to keep looking at this to make sure that it's the way we want it. But I think it looks pretty good. And this is something that Dr. Croft specifically told me that he wanted. He wanted the Google Calendar integration. So the good news is you only have to enter the stuff in the ScheduleStar once. And as you make those changes, they will change live right here on the page. So if you have any questions or anything, you can refer back to this or give me a call, and we'll talk about it. See you, Jane. Bye.